In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the side rear view mirror on this Honda Accord. If you need this or any other part, check us out at oneauto.com. Let's get started. The procedure on both sides will be exactly the same, so I'm going to show you this side. Remove the plastic sail panel here. It just has to be pried out of place. This will expose not only the hardware, but the electrical connector as well, which if you press on the tab that's underneath it, you can easily unplug. Try not to lose it in the door though, so tuck it out of the way like that. Now there are 3 8mm mounting nuts that hold the mirror onto the door. Grab a wrench or a socket and remove them. As you unthread these, try not to drop them and lose them inside the door. If you do, you'll have to remove the door panel. Okay, all 3 are out. The mirror is held on with these little clips here that will have to pry in as the mirror slides out. So it's not going to just fall off when you get to the last screw, which is nice. Okay, once you've pried that in, you'll be able to slide the mirror right out. There it is. Let's install this mirror, line it up on the outside of the door, and as you bring it through, try to clip these in. These little plastic tabs are going to hold that mirror in place for you. Reinstall the 3 fasteners, 8mm mounting nuts. This right here is going to be the trickiest one. Just be very careful. You can use a magnet if you want to prevent it from falling down. That should catch it. And now you're just going to want to tighten all of them. That's pretty much bottomed out. Well, it's snug. I'm going to give it just a little bit extra, about 1/8 of a turn. It got nice and tight. What you want to do is crush that gasket that's in between the door and the mirror. It's going to make a nice watertight seal and prevent wind noise. Do the same to all the mounting nuts to make sure they're all equally tight. All right. That's snug. I'm going to double check these. Yep. And yep. All right. So that's properly mounted. Let's connect it back in. Make sure that connector clicks. And of course, don't forget to reinstall the sail panel to hide all of this. Once it's lined up, it should just snap into place. Just like that, job is done. I hope this video is helpful. If you have anything to say, leave it in the comment section below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can stay up to date with all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.